Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Yo, the DJI Mini 5 Pro just landed. And Pro, this is the drone that's gonna make half of the Mini 4 Pro owners mad because this time DJI didn't upgrade spaces. They basically turned a pocket-sized drone into a pro grade camera machine. Let me break it down, clear plus simple, so you don't waste your money. So if you are a student or content creator, or you just wanna shoot crazy travel footage with zero hassles, let's hit the 6 big reason this is trending. And don't skip this video till end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Finally, you get a 1-inch full sensor in the main body, which means better dynamic range, cleaner low light, more detail in shadows. Quick comparison. Mini 4 Pro had a 1.3 sensor. This is a straight up bigger. Think pocket camera body Sony FX30 vibes, 5.7K 60 fps video. Yeah, it's insane. 5.7K 60 fps, not just Corgi 120 fps. UV secret is who did it in premium or Final Cut. We love this because 5.7K lets you crop in plus reframe like a beast. And yes, oversampling make footage sharper. Active Track 7 that actually works without crushing you. Listener tracking is built. Better target look, faster subject switching, and better obstacles mapping. Zoom out and back, skate park, rooftop, FPV style. It can follow you without clipping a pole. Like a confused penguin. 54-minute flight time. This is a flex. That extra 10 to 12 minutes versus older Mini is a big deal in a real uses. College campus shoots, travel walk shoots, in Lake Bakes, Grand Canyon. More time favor better sword period. Under 250 grams still legal freedom. UVC beginners love this. You don't have a register of your time or stress about being watched. Fly more thing less. Creator we love this. Dilogium means cinematic color grading like a full-size drone but in a backpack pocket and built in a ND option. In premium kit, no more sticking filters like a pancakes. Who should buy this? Students building a portfolio, young professionals doing side hustle shoots, any more going a USA road trip travel vlog. This is the drone that lets you get cinematic YouTube B-roll without cinema camera money. Mini 4 Pro, great creator try. Mini 5 Pro creator tool. Simple, so let me in the comments. Would you go Mini 5 Pro or is the Mini 4 Pro still enough for your shoots? Drop your pick. I'm replying to every comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and want more guys to updates. So subscribe in the bell icon for more guys videos.